Вогонь.
До мене прийшла на роботі моя колега.
My colleague at work approached me and said that this military course will take place and it is worth participating.
Пройти, то що мене
We don't know what is going to happen ward-wise, and overall it can be handy in life.
пригодитися.
Ви знаєте, цікаво
It is very interesting here, and I want to feel more what is happening right now.
ще до того, що зараз відбувається.
This way we are closer to our boys, our soldiers.
Знаходимося ближче до наших хлопців, до наших
We help them and we want to feel what the soldiers are going through.
більше на собі ощутити.